Welcome. Today we're diving into an important update on Instagram that allows you to control who can tag you in posts. This feature is essential for maintaining your privacy and ensuring that only the tags you want to appear on your profile do so. Let's walk through the steps to change these settings on your PC. First, open Instagram in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Next, look for the More icon on the left side menu. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. Once you've clicked the More icon, navigate to Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, find and click on Tags and Mentions. This section is crucial as it contains all the settings related to how others can interact with your profile through tagging. Under the Who Can Tag You section, you will see several options. Here, you can make your changes according to your preferences. You have the option to allow everyone to tag you, restrict it to only people you follow, or even disable tagging altogether. Choose the setting that best fits your comfort level. After making your selection, remember to save any changes if prompted. This ensures that your new settings are applied immediately. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted who can tag you on Instagram. This small change can significantly enhance your control over your online presence and help maintain a cleaner profile. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Make sure to check back for more tips and updates on how to optimize your Instagram experience.